Greetings barbers, this is Max from Stag, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do the finishing touches on personalising longer hair. What we're going to do is we're just going to go through, personalise and finish the haircut. We're going to obviously slice cut, which will create a little bit more softness for the perimeter of the haircut, get rid of the last little bit of that thickness, and then we'll just go through and point cut the layering. So what we're going to do is just working this as vertically down the hair shaft. We're just slice cutting the very end of it, just to get rid of the last little bits of bulk. I think with men's hair, you don't want to do anything that's too perfect. So we just want to go through, just finalise the haircut, really personalise it, seeing the way it wants to move, just releasing it, creating a bit more texture. We'll generally do this at the end of a haircut, just so you can see. It's all very visual. We're just going to go through and just point cut through the layering that we've done. Again, just adding those little personal touches, creating softness, getting rid of any unnecessary bulk. You can use any scissor for this. You can check out some of our other videos for point cutting. We're just going through, just softening any lines, always working with natural fall of the hair. The length that we've cut, to create a bit more softness, I'm just going to point cut very edges, just so we get a little bit more movement. Just taking out that little bit of thickness.
Thank you very much for watching our video. Please don't forget to like or subscribe down there, or if you want to see another video straight away, check out some of these.